When we were planning on taking our boat to the Bahamas, we were very concerned about our paper towel usage. Paper towels are very hard to get in the Bahamas, so we were looking at the reusable paper towels. This zero wastely ones are really great. There's value pack. There's 24 paperless paper towels in the package. They're 100% cotton. They're soft. They're washable. There's 24 of them in a pack. There's 8 different colors. Each one is 10 inches by 12 inches. So there's about the same size as a regular paper towel. They're very absorbent, and you don't have to worry about running out of paper towels and having to go find them. They're better for the environment, and they are 100% recycled cotton. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.